So in this period, we will start.
Good morning, sir. Anshika present. Sorry for being late.
I will explain the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals in this period. Okay. It is also a very interesting chapter. Okay. That chapter is also very interesting. Triangles and quadrilaterals. Gupta ji was singing a song. आ रहा हूँ घर आ रहा हूँ गुप्ता जी की मैं गाना सुनने आ रहा हूँ.
Sorry, sir, for being late. What we are doing, please tell.
We were listening a song from Gupta ji. He was singing the song Kala Chashma. Okay, we will do the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals in this period. I have to explain all the properties, what type of triangles are there, what are the
Yes, sir.
properties related to triangles, all these things I will explain. Okay.
Sir, we have done this only in this class, this work.
नहीं beta, this
Sir,
is
we
of,
were doing exercises of that.
this is of class 7. ये मैं हटा रहा हूँ यहाँ से. Class period was in class 7. I use the same board.
Sir. Sir, in this chapter, we will need a geometry box.
Sir, this we have to write.
No, this work is of class 7th because sir has a previous period of class 7. That is why you have to don't write this work.
It's too difficult. The
Just
percentage
wait
decrease.
for a minute. Class 5B students, all of you listen. 5B students. There is a confusion and well, there was a confusion, now it is cleared. You have your period with Ravinder ma'am, class 5B. So if there are any students of 5B in the meeting, you all can leave the meeting and join Ravinder ma'am's class.
Sir, you
I'm sorry to say that.
Sir, you also.
Yes, sir, I was also saying that 3 sections together.
Okay, beta. Class
Sir,
5.
50 and to leave. Sir, पहली बार इसने बोला
5B students. Are there any 5B students there? Bharat, go and join Ravinder ma'am's class. The link is already there in your group.
नाम भूल गया.
And who else is there? Any other student of class 5B?
Yes, sir.
कौन है?
Sir, yes. यानी
Sir, pass.
हम बात जो What? I am what of this? Sir, is
Beta, they are there.
Ayushman, Abhay, Atik, Akshay. Sir, you only tell I am 50 student. Izhan, Jilani, Argun, Ishika, Karanjit, Kartik, Lavanya, Hatya, Mohammed Hamza, Mritul Patel, Navdeep Gupta, नहीं, Rishika Agrawal, Rupanshi Agrawal, Sakshi नहीं, ये वगैरह. Sir, 5th C is also there.
Yes, beta, 5C is also there. 5C and 5A. Two classes are now there in the meeting.
Sir, can we do activity?
Okay.
Sir, please. So in this chapter, we will need a protractor, compass, and scale. So please tell we have to got it.
हाँ बेटा
So please tell that we have to brought the geometry box in this chapter.
नहीं you don't need the geometry box. Okay, let's start. I am going to.
हर जी गुप्ता दी रेडी तरफ स्टार्ट करिए
सही थोड़ा कम बोलिए नहीं तो आपको रिमूव कर दूंगा अपनी मीटिंग से समझ रहे हैं गुप्ता जी
ईजान मेरा बिल्स भी चैप्टर नहीं कंप्लीट है उसके बाद का कोई भी चैप्टर कंप्लीट नहीं है ये मैं पहला चैप्टर कर लूं
बेटा keep your mic so are you talking on phone keep your mic so okay so we are going to start the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals in this class today we will study about triangles.
सर आई नो अबाउट सर्कल
So what you are writing on the board, we have to write in the notebook.
Abhi nahi, not now. Don't write anything. Just look at the board. So first type of triangle that I am going to explain to you all. We are studying first the topic we are going to study is types of triangles. Don't write anything in your notebooks. आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना है नोटबुक में सिर्फ खाली मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनना है and I will be asking you questions based on the things which I am going to teach you now. Okay, I will be asking questions. Okay, all of you ready?
यस सर
So first type of triangle that we have to study is equilateral triangle. Okay, triangle तो आप सबने बहुत सुना होगा. Triangles, quadrilaterals, square,
Yes, sir.
rectangle, hexagon, pentagon, all these shapes आपने पहले भी बहुत बार सुनी होंगी. Now we are going to
So
study.
this triangle of order.
There are different types of triangles also. So this is the first type of triangle, equilateral triangle. इसमें क्या होता है? All sides of the triangle are equal. That means if the triangle is ABC, then the side AB is equal to
We have to
side
write this.
BC. Don't write anything. I have already told you. आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना है सिर्फ मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनना है and answer the questions that I ask you. Only this one. And keep your mics off. नवदीप उसका माइक ऑफ कर लो जरा.
सर म्यूट एवरीवन
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in a triangle where all the three sides are equal in length, आपको मालूम है length क्या होती है? If I draw a line segment like this, आपने ये पीछे क्लासेस में जरूर किया होगा. 4 सेंटीमीटर का लाइन सेगमेंट बना दिया. 4 सेंटीमीटर. ये आपको स्केल से लाइन ड्रॉ करना आती है 4 सेंटीमीटर की everyone with the help of a scale.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. आती है.
Yes. So if I draw
Yes, sir.
3 line segments of equal length, ये भी 4 centimeter, ये भी 4 centimeter, and this one also 4 centimeter. Don't write anything in your copies. Just listen. If all the three sides
Okay,
are
sir.
4, 4, 4, then the triangle will be called. What you are going to call this triangle? क्या नाम बोलेंगे इसका?
Equilateral
Equilateral triangle.
It will be called an equilateral triangle. Okay. जरूरी नहीं है सारी साइड्स 4 की हो, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कुछ और लेंथ हो, जरूरी थोड़ी कि 4
So
सेंटीमीटर।
like 6 centimeter.
If suppose one side is 7, then the other two sides will also be 7 centimeters. Now, is it an equilateral triangle? Is it an equilateral
Yes,
triangle?
sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Because all sides are
Yes,
equal.
sir. Yes, sir. Because all sides are equal, sir. Yes.
Still, it is an equilateral.
Yes, sir, because all sides are equal.
Anji, very good. You
Sir,
are
because all sides are equal. Yes, sir.
catch all the things.
This is correct.
Okay, if I change one of the sides, मैं एक साइड को यहाँ पे चेंज कर देता हूँ, for example. तो मैं 8
Yes,
सेंटीमीटर।
So sir, it will be not equilateral triangle.
Now is it an equilateral triangle?
No, sir.
No, sir.
There is isosceles triangle.
No, isosceles triangle.
So now the second one that we have to study is isosceles. It's a equilateral triangle में कमाल की बात ये भी होती है that all the angles are also equal. ठीक है, याद रखिएगा बस. In an equilateral triangle,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
all the angles are also
Okay, sir.
Sir, the name is also same like a
हाँ जी, equal. नाम भी उसके नेम में भी आ रहा है equal. उसी से पता चल जाएगा. Isosceles. बचपन से मुझे लेकर के आज तक
Isosceles triangle.
बचपन से आज तक आइसोसेलेस की स्पेलिंग याद ही नहीं मुझे. चेक करो जरा बेटा, सही लिखी है मैंने आइसोसेलेस की स्पेलिंग?
Yes, sir.
सही? अरे वाह,
Yes, sir. Silence.
Correct.
फाइनली याद हो गई मुझे, लर्न हो गई आइसोसेलेस की स्पेलिंग. वेरी गुड. So what is an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is
A
that
triangle which is have two sides equal.
हाँ जी, where two sides are equal.
Equal.
So
it
if
is
the
a
side
triangle which has two
is the side
equal
A
and one side
is equal
not
to side
equal.
AC, any two
Sir,
sides.
in that only two sides are.
हाँ जी. So
Two
if
sides same.
if two sides are equal, the
Sir,
triangle is
any two.
any two sides. जरूरी नहीं है कि ये वाली
Sir,
दो-
any two sides.
ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Sir, means that in triangle, any two sides are equal. They are known as isosceles triangles.
It is possible that these two sides are equal. For example, the triangle is PQR. Now, in this, the side PR is equal to
Sir, its
QR.
size is also equal.
The length of the side PR is equal to QR. This is also isosceles. This is also okay. Both the triangles
Okay,
are
sir.
isosceles. So
Okay,
here,
sir.
if I tell you that
Sir.
this length is 10 centimeter, so this will also be 10 centimeter. लेकिन ये वाली कुछ और होगी. Maybe 7 centimeter हो सकता है, 7 centimeter की हो. So now this is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Third वाली different होगी. It could be smaller than 10 or it could be greater than 10 also. 10 से बड़ी भी हो सकती है. लेकिन अगर 10 हो गई तो क्या होगा? अगर थर्ड साइड 10 हो गई तो
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
it will be called an equilateral triangle. ये equilateral triangle बन जाएगा. Okay. In this one, if I tell you that this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeters. So now is this an isosceles?
Isosceles.
Yes.
Isosceles triangle.
So this is also
isosceles.
isosceles. This is also isosceles. So any two sides could be equal. जरूरी नहीं है कि यही वाली दो sides equal हो सकता है ऐसे करके equal हो जाए. Okay. Any two sides. Isosceles is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next पे आ जाते हैं. The next one is scalene triangle. बहुत simple है. जब
Alien triangle.
So this triangles, all three sided are different. Then I
Yes,
know.
sir.
scalene triangle. Okay. All the three sides are of different length. ठीक है, एक ऐसा मैंने ट्राइंगल बना दिया. Let us name the triangle as ABC. Here, the length of all the three sides are different. For example, this
Yes,
is
sir.
5, this
Four.
is 8 centimeters, and this is 10 centimeters. Okay. So, are all the sides of different length or equal length? All the three sides.
The different length.
So different.
Sir, it is
All the
So
three
sir,
sides.
it is scalene triangle. A different length.
Yes, the lengths are different. Therefore, it is a scalene triangle. Any doubt till now, anyone?
no, sir, not
no,
any
sir.
doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Not.
This was the categorization of
Sir, I'm not able to understand the scalene triangle.
scalene triangle is very simple. All the three sides of different length. अलग-अलग length होगी तीनों sides.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very simple.
Sir, now take a test. Means revision.
इस
That
चीज
how
को
much we have understand.
Very easy.
अभी बताते हैं. अभी बताते हैं. Okay. So there are मतलब this is the categorization of triangles on the basis of length of the sides. Sides की length के basis पे तीन तरीके के triangles होते हैं. First equilateral, second हो गया isosceles, third हो गया scalene. अब angles के basis पे भी decide होता है नाम triangle का. Angle के basis पे भी decide कर सकते हैं. Let's take the fourth type which you are going to name. You can name the triangle on the basis of the on the basis of the measure of angle. Okay. आ रही है मेरी बात समझ में? एंगल के बेसिस पे भी ट्राइंगल को नाम दिया जा सकता है. अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? सिर्फ साइड्स को देख रहे थे. अब हम एंगल को भी देखेंगे. एंगल को भी नहीं, मतलब ओनली एंगल्स को ही देखेंगे. साइड को भूल जाएंगे. साइड की लेंथ क्या है, कितनी है, forget about it. Just look at the angles. First one is right triangles. Right triangles. Right angle याद है आपको क्या होता है?
Yes, sir. The right angle.
Yes, sir.
यूज कर रही है 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री एंगल को क्या बुलाते हैं? राइट एंगल. डू यू रिमेंबर दिस और नॉट?
Yes,
Yes.
हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
That is
राइट ट्रायंगल क्या हुआ? राइट ट्रायंगल क्या हुआ?
four.
In which a triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees.
Sir.
Simple.
Yes, sir.
कोई भी एक एंगल अगर ट्राइंगल 90 डिग्रीज का है तो दैट ट्राइंगल इज राइट ट्राइंगल. ओके. कैन अ ट्राइंगल हैव टू राइट एंगल्स?
90 degrees.
कैन अ ट्राइंगल हैव टू राइट एंगल्स?
No, sir.
नो.
No, sir. No, sir.
नहीं हो सकता. दो राइट एंगल नहीं हो सकते. चलो लेट मी ट्राई.
No, sir.
नहीं हो सकते.
Sir.
बना के देखना कभी किसी दिन घर पे बैठ के आराम से बना के देखना आफ्टर द क्लास. नॉट एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल बनाने की कोशिश करना वेयर टू एंगल्स आर ऑफ 90 डिग्री. देखो मैं ट्राई करता हूं यहां पर बोर्ड पे.
Sir.
मैंने ड्रॉ करी लाइन. दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्रीज एंड दिस एंगल इज आल्सो 90 डिग्रीज. 90 डिग्री एंगल क्या होता है? स्ट्रेट बनती है लाइन. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन योर फ्लोर एंड योर वॉल? आपके घर में फ्लोर
Yes,
और
sir. I can see.
व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द फ्लोर एंड द वॉल?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, 90 degree. 90 degree.
Sir, 90 degree.
यस, तो वही होता है 90 डिग्री. आपका एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर होगी.
Sir, I told. Sir, I told the answer.
These two angles are 90 degrees. ये भी 90 है, ये भी 90 है. Will it form a triangle? अब मैं इसको चाहे कितना भी आगे बढ़ा दूं, क्या ये दोनों लाइंस कभी मीट करेंगी? Are they going to meet each other?
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
They will
sir.
be parallel.
No, sir.
Parallel याद है ना word? Parallel lines. So these two lines will go parallel to each other. They will never meet. So will it form a triangle? No, it will
No,
not.
sir.
No, sir.
You cannot make a triangle where two angles are of 90 degrees. ऐसा triangle बनाना possible? Possible?
Sir, 60 degree. Sir, 60
Possible
degree.
नहीं है.
नहीं है, बिल्कुल सही. You cannot make a
Sir,
triangle.
60 degree between 90 and 60 degree.
90 and 60 बना सकते हैं. Okay. Now the fifth one, acute angle triangle, जहाँ पर तीनों angles क्या, acute angle याद है क्या होता है? What is acute angle?
Yes. I know.
Yes, sir.
If
Sir,
angle is
Yes, sir. If any angle is below 90 and above 0 degree, that is acute angle.
Sir, please tell. I don't.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry, I will tell you.
Acute angles are
acute angles are those angle numbers that are below 90.
Yes. Angles which are less than 90 are acute angles.
Sir, acute
90
angles are those who are bigger than 90.
मेरी बात सुनिए, आप लोग मेरी बात सुनिए. Very good. Some of you, most of you know.
obtuse angle.
Most
Yes,
of
sir,
you
I
know about
know.
acute and obtuse. Please remain quiet, everyone, and listen. Acute angles are those which are less than 90 degrees. ऐसे एंगल जो 90 से छोटे होते हैं, ऐसे एंगल्स को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? Acute angles बुलाते हैं. Okay. So fifth type of triangle is acute angled triangle. I will explain what it is. Acute angled triangle. Okay.
Or
जी.
sir, I have sent one video on 5th day. Sir, about angles.
So you sent a video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pair of angles. Sir, see, bank POSSL. Don't memorize.
Sir, if question will come in exam that tell which type of triangle is this, so in that if acute triangle is there, so all the angles would be given.
Maybe most probably.
Sir,
बिना
please-
देखे भी आप you can without looking, without the measurement of the angle also, you can just look at the shape and you can tell whether this is acute or obtuse. आप
Sir, please
easily
share
बता
the
सकते.
screen that is under the video.
Sorry.
Sir, share the screen. Let's see what the video send it.
We will see it afterwards. पहले let me teach this. Okay, we will watch it afterwards. And don't share all these things in the class group. You are sharing these type of videos. It is not good. Acute angled triangle. Okay, so what is this? A triangle in which all the angles are less than 90. Acute angle क्या होता है? Angles which are less than 90. So a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90. Suppose this angle is 50 degrees. This is 70 degrees. 50 plus 70 over 120, and this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so all the three angles, you can see that all the three angles are less than 90. So this type of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Okay, got it, all of you? बहुत
Yes,
easy.
sir, we got it.
Next पे आ जाते हैं obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse.
And sir, if we would in the question that would be given that tell which triangle is this, and equilateral and acute triangle are given, and in acute triangle if the angle is not given, so how we will guess it?
Beta, by looking at the figure only, you can easily find out whether the triangle is acute or obtuse. आसानी से पता चल जाएगा. Don't worry. And वैसे तो in most of the questions the angles will be given. If it is not given, then you can easily find out by looking at the figure only. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what an exercise. Question number A. There is not given any triangle. It is written ABC 45 degree.
Don't worry. I will tell you how to do it. Okay. अभी तक तो हम उस टॉपिक पे आएंगे. Obtuse angle triangle. A triangle. Obtuse angle याद है? The triangle in
Yes, which has
That is
greater
bigger than 90. Numbers that are bigger than 90
yes.
degree are known as
Triangle
acute.
triangle in which one angle is, sorry, angles which are more than 90 degrees are known as obtuse angles. याद है? Obtuse angles. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
so first of all, tell me, is this an obtuse angle or acute angle? This angle. This is obtuse. or
Obtuse.
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 ये 90 से बड़ा लग
Sir,
रहा है.
obtuse.
ये वाला एंगल 90 से छोटा है या बड़ा है? This angle,
Acute, acute.
Acute.
this angle is less than 90.
Acute angle.
So this is acute. This is more
Sir,
than
acute angle.
this is more than 90, so this is obtuse.
Obtuse.
Obtuse
Sir,
angle
obtuse.
बनाने से पहले
Obtuse angle.
make one obtuse angle and then convert it into a triangle. So it becomes an obtuse angle triangle. PQR इसको नाम दे दिया मैंने. Here angle Q is more than 90 degrees. अच्छा, कमाल की बात ये है, only one angle is obtuse, other two angles are acute. ये वाला एंगल acute है या obtuse है? Angle P.
Acute.
Sir, acute.
Acute.
Sir, acute.
Okay. What about angle R?
Sir,
Acute.
Acute.
Sir, acute.
Acute.
Sir, acute.
Sir, acute.
Angle R is also acute angle. Okay. Acute, acute and obtuse. केवल एक एंगल obtuse होता है यहाँ पे. So you call it as obtuse angle triangle. एक ट्रायंगल ऐसा पॉसिबल है बनाना जिसमें दो एंगल obtuse हो? बना सकते हैं आप ऐसा ट्रायंगल? अगर आप ऐसा
No,
ट्रायंगल
sir.
बनाना तो पढ़ाना छोड़ो. आइए ट्राई
No, sir.
देखिए. So this is one line segment. So first of all, this angle is obtuse. एक ट्रायंगल बना रहा हूँ जिसमें दो एंगल obtuse बनेंगे, ठीक है? बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं मतलब. This is obtuse angle, am I right? जी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this angle is also obtuse. This angle is also obtuse. Both the angles are obtuse
Yes,
angles.
sir.
क्या ये कभी
Yes,
ट्रायंगल
sir.
बनेगा? Will it ever form a
No,
triangle?
sir.
Can you
No,
join these two
Sir,
lines?
it triangle line.
चलो मैं ऐसे करके ज्वाइन कर देता हूँ. Now is it
Sir,
a
it is a quadrilateral.
no? It is
No,
not a
sir,
triangle.
this is
It
not
is a
no, sir.
quadrilateral.
Sir, it is a quadrilateral.
How it is a quadrilateral? It has four sides, so it is a quadrilateral.
Yes,
It is
sir.
not a triangle.
Sir, I am not able to understand this.
बेटा मैं ये बता रहा हूँ. You cannot make a triangle where two angles are obtuse. अगर आप बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं एक ऐसा triangle where two angles are obtuse and you join the lines like this, so it will not form a triangle, it will form a quadrilateral because it has four sides. Triangle नहीं बनेगा, quadrilateral. Okay.
Because a triangle has
Sir,
three
like
sides.
trapezium.
Triangle has only three sides, so it is forming a quadrilateral. Okay.
Sir, the trapezium.
Quadrilateral can have two obtuse angles. Quadrilateral में दो obtuse angles हो सकते हैं. Okay. Triangle में नहीं हो सकते.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, now can you take a test, sir? Because
when
this
there
time
would be
Sorry.
Please.
Are you asking?
Sir,
me?
please take the time.
Take the
How much time is left?
Izan is saying
Oh,
something.
sir.
Let me see what he is saying. Sir, please ask
Sir,
someone
I'm
to
seeing
send me
that.
maths because maths work from chapter rounding numbers. Because when I ask someone, thus they say that first take permission from sir. Beta, can any one of you send maths work to Izan? Please send it to Izan from the chapter rounding numbers. Yes, beta, please send it from the
Sir,
chapter.
I also want. Sir, I also want.
Who?
Sir,
Shashwat.
he later asked for
Shashwat
the
Gupta.
mathematics to me.
Sir, I also want.
और कौन है?
Sir, he later asked math work.
Sir, Shashwat Gupta also wants.
शाश्वत के बाद कौन है? दूसरा, तीसरा?
Sir,
Ayushmann
Vishesh.
ओके, चार कंटेंडर हैं यहाँ पर. वन इज Izan, send it to Izan. Second is Ayushman Rana. Third is Shashwat. and fourth is fourth कौन था? Yes, Vishesh Srivastava.
Thank you, sir.
These 4 students are there. Please send your work to 4 students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, square can have 490-degree angle.
Yes, a square has 490-degree angles. In fact, a rectangle also has 490-degree angles. Rectangle में भी 4 angle 90 degree के होते हैं. But a triangle can have only one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. गुप्ता जी क्या कर रहे हो? बड़े खुश हो तुम, इतने खुश रहते हो और हर समय तुम्हारे अंदर एनर्जी इतनी भरी रहती है, पता नहीं खाते पीते क्या हो, क्या खाते हो सुबह सुबह?
Sir, कुछ नहीं.
इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है?
Sir, is square in our syllabus?
So we will study everything, whatever it is there in your book. We will study everything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we have done all these 6 types of triangles. Now, one very,
Yes,
very,
sir.
very, 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 very important thing. That is the, please everyone, you all will, 5th day students who have not started writing anything in their copies till now. चलो वो मैं next class में ही बताऊंगा. अगली चीजों हमें करनी है important वाली, because not much time is left also. तो क्लास 5A स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे मैंने अभी यहाँ पर सारे फिगर्स के नेम लिखे थे, आप पहले हेडिंग डालेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. राइट द हेडिंग टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, राइट द नेम. अच्छा चलो अभी रहने दो, ठीक है, लीव इट फॉर नाउ. मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा क्या करना है. Okay, ma'am, let me explain
The next period of
sorry.
Sir, I can do today only.
I have my next period in 5th C. मेरा next period 5th C में है. तो 5th C में मैं करा दूंगा जो मैं बोल रहा था कराने को. Very important thing. We will do
Okay,
it 5th
sir.
C.
What
the
is
next
the
period.
important thing?
Sir,
Sorry?
please tell what is important.
I will
We'll
tell
get to know in the next period.
in the next period. You will get to know after 20 minutes. Okay. एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लें, एक्टिविटी वाला एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लें, आंसर करिए. ओके
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
लीजिए. सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
69 square. Find the answer. Write the answer in the chat box. 69 square. Okay, I'm telling you the answer first of all. 36, 6 into 9, 54, 54 and 81. So 1, 4, 4, 8, 16 हो गया, 1 carry हो गया, 7 plus 10, 17, 1 carry, 4761 is the answer, 4761 is the answer. And the first one to give the answer, जिसको मेरी तरफ से चॉकलेट मिलेगी, of the size of और टेलीविजन टीवी के साइज की चॉकलेट मिलेगी, लेकिन व्हाट्सएप पे। दैट इज मृदुल पटेल। फर्स्ट इज मृदुल पटेल, सेकंड इज उन्नति गंगवार। Excellent, both of you. Third is Shashwat Gupta. Shashwat Gupta. Third. Wonderful. Fourth is Hargun. Hargun is fourth. Excellent. And fifth is Anshika. Anshika is fifth. Where is Anshika? Very good. Excellent. So लड़कियां बहुत तेज हैं यार। 5 में से 4 are girls, if I am right. The girls are very